Hey, how's it going, everybody? I have another new product review today for you. This product was found to be by the amazing people over at HolyStone. Huge thank you to them for sending this out for a review. This is their brand new released Night Elven mini drone. This is their HS170G. It comes equipped with an altitude hold function. So if you want to capture that perfect landscape, you can hover it in midair at the perfect height. It also has 3D flips and tricks for crazy displays. It also has a one key start and a one key return, which is very convenient, especially if the drone is approaching the limits of how far it can go from the controller itself. So if you're worried about not being able to see it, or the video quality might be a little bit blurry, you can just press this one key home return, and then within a few minutes it should be able to come back safe and sound. Now it does have about a 10 to 15 foot perimeter, so you want to make sure wherever you're taking it off from isn't near any electrical wires, any trees, any water, any type of hazards like that, so that way you can get up and go in almost instantly. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is open up the box, and we'll just see everything that this drone has to offer. So first inside we have a quick start guide as well as a user manual. You also have a USB for recording, and you have a screwdriver if you need to replace the propellers or attach the prop guards. Now, they were nice enough to throw in a couple extra propellers with some screws, just in case your propellers either get damaged or become worn over time. Now, as you can see on the sides, they do have an A and B logo, as well as the numbers 1 and 2. What this is for the front and the back of the drone, so you want to make sure that you attach the propellers to the corresponding areas. Otherwise, it'll be a little bit off balance, and it's also have a little bit of trouble flying. Because say hypothetically you put the back in the front and the back, then when you try to go forward, it'll actually go the opposite way. Next we have the controller. As you can see, you have a little spot for an attachment if you want to add your phone to it, as well as a start-stop button. This is your power on and off. And this button you can activate for Headless Mode, which essentially when you're flying your drone normally, you want to have the front facing away from you. If you press forward, it'll go forward, backwards, it'll go backwards. Pretty self-explanatory. But with Headless Mode, say the front of your drone is facing to the left, but you still want to go forward. If you press forward, your drone will be facing left, but it'll still get like a nice side panel, so we can get the perfect viewing angle. You also have your two joysticks. One is on the left to increase and decrease altitude. The other one is to operate the camera, as well as control whether it goes left, right, forward, or backwards. I do want to point out, if your drone is going frantic or you have high excessive winds, you can press this button. This is to stabilize the drone, and it'll come safely back to the ground. Here is your flip button for 3D flips. On the left hand side, you can control your speed, as well as adjust the angle of the drone. So if you want it perfectly level, or if you want it cocked to the left or right, whatever you like best. On the back is where you're going to insert your batteries. I believe it takes, it's going to take 4 AA batteries. Here up at the top you have your 2 antennas. I like how they're integrated into the controller and they don't extend out too far, but you should still get a nice signal range. Also, I forgot to mention, They include a brochure in here for extra battery, so if you want longer flying time, you can get one for free. Just simply leave your review by sharing your experience on the Amazon page. Just search HolyStone 170G. You can also contact them at battery@holystone.com to receive your free battery. Next we have the drone itself. And as I mentioned before, that it is a mini drone, so you see it almost fits right in the palm of my hand. Pretty sturdy propellers. And I like how the prop guards are already attached. And as you can see, it has no interference with the propellers whatsoever. I really love the texture on this. And you see it has a cool like micro robotic type design with the HolyStone logo. On the back, when you plug these two pieces in, that's going to activate the power to the drone. And if you follow the step-by-step instructions in the user manual, you can get it linked up with your controller within a matter of a couple minutes. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is take this drone outside and just see how well it performs in low wind and possibly medium wind, because it is a little windy out today. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick, and I'll be right back to show you my results.